looks like we've got a salt trail, and they have pre-treated all the streets and they're salting all the sidewalks in preparation for a storm that's supposed to hit tonight. So we'll see. I'm going over to pick up my daughter right now. It is very cold. It's pretty windy, so we'll see. We'll see what happens tonight. It's supposed to hit about 9 o'clock and continue through the night and into tomorrow. So they're calling for up to 12 inches of snow. That would be the most that we've gotten pretty much as long as I've been here. Anyways, that's it for now, and thanks for watching. Well, we did not get the huge dump of snow like they were predicting. We did get some, as you can see. At the most, we got 3 inches. But the one thing we did get was we got quite a bit of ice, which is just one of my favorites. So I'll take snow over ice any day. But anyways, it's already starting to melt off, which is a good thing. The wind is blowing pretty good, which makes it even colder. So hopefully it'll start to warm up again in the next few days. Anyways, to anybody out there in the Philippines, hey, if you would like to trade some of your warm weather and blue skies for some snow and cold winds, just let me know. I've got more than enough to go around. You can have it all if you want. Anyways, okay, well, thanks for watching.